Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to design Facebook ads in Canva in under 3 minutes. So guys, you need a Facebook ad fast. Do this in Canva. Your first step would be to log on to canva.com. Make sure you have an account. If you do not, simply sign up or log into your existing account. Once you're here, head over to the home section at the top left. Simply click on templates, and where we have search millions of templates, go ahead and simply enter Facebook ad template and then simply click on enter or search. Now, once the templates are shown, just go ahead and select the template that you would like to use for your Facebook design or ad. You could go with the paid option, that's the Canva premium option, or you could go with any free options that are made available to you like this. But I'm just going to be going with this paid option here. So click on the design that you want and then simply click on the customize this template option. So go ahead and click on customize this template. And once it loads up, you could simply swap the product photo and the headline. So you could simply change this headline to match your advertisement, and you could add your company logo here as well by heading over to uploads and simply uploading a file from your computer or mobile phone, and then simply doing the basic drag and drop on here, and you will have your logo. Now, also try to add a clear call to action like shop now, learn more, or buy this course, depending on what kind of ad you're running. And then you should be able to, export this in one of the best qualities by simply clicking on share at the top right. Click on download here. And then you can now increase the file size to something like 1080 by 1080 or 1200 by 628. And then simply clicking on download and it's done. Alright guys, and that's how you can go about doing this without having to use Photoshop, and you can also get professional advertisements by just using this tutorial. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.